Hey guys, this is the PUBG gaming review in the Nokia 8.1. I'm not going to edit this video in any way. Today I'll be showing you the loading times as well as the gaming performance of PUBG in the Nokia 8.1. The video is not speeded up in any way. This is the actual loading time of the game in this phone. Facebook login ചെയ്യാനൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കണ്ടേ? So the graphic settings is set to high by default. The game seems to be working really well. The graphics are really good. There is no lag at all. There is no lag at all. The graphic settings are indeed set to high. As you can see, it's set to high. The frame rate is set to high. The device graphics is set to HD. HDR and Ultra HD is not available. It's not available for my device. So, okay, someone is trying to attack me right now. It's working in HD settings right now. Okay, I'll just jump along. So the notch is hidden here. Black bar is applied over the notch. So this place is completely useless. So let's collect some ammunitions from the warehouses. The graphics looks really good, and the phone is getting hot at the back near the camera portion. The phone is getting very hot in this area. Other than that, the game is working perfectly. And let's see the battery percentage. Okay, battery percentage cannot be seen right now, but I think the battery is holding up pretty well. Okay guys,
Hello? Oh, yes. Okay. Sure.
so okay guys, that was the gaming review of PUBG on the Nokia 8.1. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more of this content, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out guys.